Congratulations on purchasing your Kidde alarm. If you purchased battery or hardwired wire-free interconnect alarms, watch this video first and set up your network before installing your alarms on the ceiling. For Kidde Ring devices, follow the user guide or in-app instructions. Let's get started. After you unbox your alarms, help ensure a smooth setup process by placing them side by side on a table and reviewing the included user guide and quick start guide. Don't remove the included dust covers until 24 hours after construction and cleaning is complete. Dust entering the sensor is the #1 cause of false alarms. We've removed the dust covers in this video for illustrative purposes only. Remove the battery pull tab to power on each device before activating the wire-free interconnect feature. Now you're ready to follow these 4 easy steps, starting with step 1, pair your alarms. To start pairing, press the side button once on each device. You'll hear,
"Ready for wireless interlink. Follow quick start instructions."
Once pairing mode is active, you'll see a red LED blinking once per second. After 5 minutes of inactivity, the system will time out and say,
"Wireless interlink, not connected."
If this happens, press the side button once to restart pairing mode. Refer to user guide for additional troubleshooting. Step 2. Choose your host alarm. To establish your network, choose any device to be your temporary host alarm. Press the side button once to begin searching for other devices. You'll hear,
"Searching for other devices."
And the red LED will blink twice every 2 seconds. After up to 15 seconds, your host device will begin to emit a sonar sound every 5 seconds. This will continue throughout the setup. Step 3. Let alarms connect. As each device automatically joins the network, you'll hear,
"Success, now connected."
And the red LED will blink 3 times every 2 seconds. You can connect all devices at once or one by one. Just add each device within 5 minutes of the last, or the setup process will time out. Step 4. Finish setup. Once all devices are connected, close the network by pressing the side button on any device twice within 4 seconds. You'll hear,
"Setup complete."
And it will tell you the number of devices that are connected. The red LED will stop blinking and the sonar sound ends. Your wire-free interconnect network is now set up, and your alarms are ready for installation. Keep the dust covers on until 24 hours after construction and cleaning is complete, then remove them before occupancy. And when it's time to mount your alarms, Kidde is here to help. Our user guide and installation video offers simple steps to guide you through the process.